So we're guessing that you have super dry skin. And I just totally forgot what the rest is.
The garbage
There's so many
trucks?
garbage bags. There's so many garbage trucks here.
It's actually f***ed, and they start at like 7 in the morning.
Yeah. So you have super dry skin, especially during the fall and winter months, and you're looking for products that will hydrate and are natural.
It's your lucky day because if you continue to watch this video, we will guide you through our skincare routine for the colder months. Welcome back, and thank you so much for joining us this week for another Green Beauty episode.
If you're new here, we're Jacqueline and Amanda, and we are the Green Beauty Collective. We're certified makeup artists, hairstylists, natural skincare specialists, and Amanda is a certified nutritional practitioner.
If you feel like this is the place for you and the information you want to learn, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell to be notified when we post a new video every Tuesday.
We're glad you stuck around because we're going to help you with your dry skin issues.
By the end of this video, you'll walk away with 4 tips for super dry skin.
But wait, we have a bonus tip for you at the very end. One of our best customers, Carol, has this product that she gets in bulk, I would say. She says her skin has never felt better.
The first skincare step we want to touch on is cleansing the skin. We really want to emphasize how important it is to not use any really harsh stripping chemicals such as sodium lauryl sulfate because it does strip the skin of its natural oils. So we choose to use something without this ingredient such as a milk cleanser. And the milk cleanser that we really love is from Viva Organics. It contains calendula and lavender waters. It also has sunflower seed oil, apricot kernel oil, aloe vera extract, and seaweed extract to soothe, soften, and hydrate the skin. And you can use this with water, or you can use it just on a cotton pad without water to remove makeup and take any oil and dirt off of the skin. In this video, we're using it with a konjac sponge to help it slightly exfoliate the skin if your skin needs that extra step.
Step 2 is using a honey-based mask. And the benefits of using a honey mask is it's a natural humectant. They contain natural enzymes, it's antimicrobial, antibacterial, and that's when you're using a raw unpasteurized honey. One of our favorite masks is the Honey and Myrrh mask from Wild Hill Botanicals. This is a very special mask because it's a beechwood honey mask and it has some myrrh in it, which is great for anti-inflammatory as well. One tip when we're using this honey and myrrh mask is give yourself some time. We like to let this baby do its work for at least 45 minutes. So kick back, grab a book, take a bath, listen to a podcast, and let it do its magic.
Step 3 is using an oil-based serum. And the serums that we really love are the Wild Hill Blackberry Serum and the Woodlot Rosehip Serum. And we love these because they're rich in fatty acids, vitamin A and E. They're very healing and nourishing. They're also rich in GLA and omega-6s as well as antioxidants. So these are powerhouse skincare ingredients. These oils are very soothing and healing and nourishing for dry and irritated skin, and so that's why we really suggest this type of product for dry skin. And you want to use this type of product at night after your toner or water-based moisturizer to lock in all of that moisture. We want to know what your favorite product to use during the fall and winter months is. Make sure to comment below and let us know what that product is so we can look it up and maybe we don't know about it yet.
Step 4 is using a toner. It's really important to add water to the skin, and using a hydrosol toner is an amazing way to do this. Use it after cleanser or simply spritz any time of day to give your skin extra hydration boost.
And finally, our bonus tip and product is our collagen hyaluronic mask from Viva Organics. And this is about a 20-minute treatment. It is a sheet mask. It's super hydrating, super plumping, and you can feel the results for days after the treatment. The molecule of hyaluronic acid holds 1,000 times its weight in water, and it's also a natural humectant, which means it's going to draw tons of moisture to the skin. So if you're finding that you're really struggling with your moisture levels, hyaluronic acid is a really amazing ingredient to use, and this collagen hyaluronic mask is definitely going to pump up your hydration levels. We made a video last week called Winter Skincare Tips Using Cruelty-Free Green Beauty Products. We recommend redirecting yourself to that video if you want to learn more about seasonal skincare. You can find the link here or in the description bar below.
Now you know a lot more about super dry skin and what products to use to keep your skin feeling nourished and healthy. Are you ready to make the switch to healthier beauty products? We're constantly curating our online shop with our favorite natural beauty products. We feel confident that you will love everything we have in the store. Visit thegreenbeautycollective.com to have a look for yourself. Are you outside of Vancouver but want some one-on-one advice on natural beauty products? Did you know we offer virtual consultations and lessons for people just like you? If you're ready to dive in and make the switch to healthier beauty products, all you have to do is follow the link below titled Virtual Consultation and book in with us today. Do you want to learn more and engage with people just like you? We have an amazing online community called the Green Beauty Community. This is your opportunity to be a part of a group that discusses natural products, techniques, and for you to ask any burning questions you may have or advice that you may need. You can find the link to the page in the description bar below.
If you enjoyed this video, please let us know by liking it, commenting below with helpful if you found it helpful, and sharing it with your friends, family, and fellow natural beauty lovers.
And as usual, we will see you next Tuesday.